Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our number one TV show, Del Patsara. Here we entertain, we teach, we learn, we have fun. And today we have our guest, Daisy. She will introduce herself. We have a topic to discuss today, and stay tuned. Welcome, Daisy. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. My name is Daisy Wambui. I'm glad to be here for inviting me for a beautiful and awesome topic that is really affecting many people in the society that we are living today. Hope you will enjoy our show. Welcome our viewers. Thank you.
All right. So today we have a topic to discuss, which is marriage and the impact of marriage and the impact, the advantages, all those sort. And Daisy, I think you are free to discuss the topic that we are about to talk about. Okay, Daisy, what do you Daisy, what do you say about the marriage, the whole scenario, the marriage scenario, and everything?
Oh, thank you for the chance that you have given unto me. Marriage, I can say it is a beautiful thing that God created and initiated. So marriage is beautiful. It is a union between two people, form unity between two people, and it is a beautiful thing. Though in the contemporary, people are seeing it like it is a scam that it cannot work. But I can assure you, it is a beautiful thing if you engage in it. Yeah.
What really lead people to get married? Is it ideals? Is it love? Is it money, or a God-given thing?
Marriage, it depends with personal thinking, how you see marriage. At some point, you can really hate marriage due to the growing setup that you have grown in. For example, if you have grown in a toxic family where your parents fight here and there, every now and then. So if you grow up and you become a man or a woman and you want to get married or marry, it really create a negative impact to your mind, because you will see and say that marriage, it is very bad because my parent did not enjoy, my father always fight my mother. So even marrying, it can be a bit a problem if you see from childhood you have grown in a very toxic family. So it might be a challenge. But if you are grown in a peaceful marriage, you see your parents like a role model, it can activate your mood and thinking, and you hope to get married as early as possible. So marriage, it is a personal decision. Maybe the worldview that you have grown in, or how you see personally from others, and your personal thinking. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Do you think sex is the main subject in marriage?
Personally, no. It is my own view and understanding. Sex is like an ice on ice cream. You see, a cake is baked first, then it being iced on. So sex is like just an ice. It is not really the main subject of a marriage. When you see a cake, it has many components that makes a cake. There is love, respect, honesty, all those things that make up marriage. So sex is like an additional to a marriage. It is like emotional connection, just expressing how you love, but it is not really the main subject in a marriage. That is
Yeah.
my view.
Yes, I hope you people hear that marriage is